Hello and welcome. 2022 has just started. It's just a new year. Christmas is finished. I can't believe it. But now we are on to Chinese New Year and also Valentine's Day. So what I'm going to show you is especially for flavor of the month in February, rose lemonade. For the ingredients, we're going to use rose syrup, local brand. We're going to use freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then because this is sparkling, we're going to use soda water. And I am going to show you in two different cup sizes. One is 16 ounces and the other is 22 ounces. So let's start by preparing our first drink for the 16 ounces. I've got really large lemon here. I'm just going to cut them in half and then squeeze. You can also use Calamansi. It will also be perfect. I'll put half a lemon. Okay. I am going to use 20 ml of my rose syrup, and this is 7.5, so I'm going to use about 3 pumps of this. 1, 2, 3. 3 pumps, or about 22.5 or 20 ml of rose syrup. It's the soda water. I'm going to add about just a little bit, about 1 ounce there. So fill it with ice, slice of lemon there for decoration of course, and fill it to the top with soda water. And you've got a sparkling rose lemonade, perfect for Valentine's Day. Now on to our next drink for 22 ounces. For this one I'm going to use 1 whole lemon. I normally just roll it to soften it, and then it's easier to squeeze. So again, because I have such large lemon here, I'm going to slice it into 3 and squeeze it into my cup. I'm going to fill this with 4 pumps, or about 30 ml. 1, 2, 3, 4 pumps of my rose syrup. And again, I'm going to just add a little bit of my soda water there and fill it with ice. Put my lemon there. And you have your sparkling rose lemonade for 22 ounces. Sparkling rose lemonade, very simple to make, and I had it before and it tastes really good, really refreshing. Perfect drink for the summer. Well, for those of you that are still in winter, you can come over to this part of the world and sample this drink. Time to give it a try. And it's still as good as when I had it the first time. It's just amazing. Imagine the smell of rose and the taste of rose coming together with that beautiful sourness of the lemon, and then of course that refreshing sparkling water or soda water in here. It is just the perfect combination. This is really, really delightful. I must say you should give this a try. And of course this should be the same. It's just a little bit darker because I put a lot more here. It's a larger cup after all. I think that it's just a perfect combination. I cannot say it enough. You know, the lemon, the rose, the soda water all come together in one beautiful drink. Beautiful looking, absolutely pink. And for those that love pink, this is perfect. I can have this all day. Well, there you go. Sparkling rose lemonade, another flavor of the month that you can introduce for the month of love and the month of February for the Chinese New Year too. If you have any questions, do let me know, comment below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of these video tutorials. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.